what you doing? What's that?
It's a little something.
Boy, ooh, it's so hot. I need to take a shower.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Costa. It's been a while. I've been super busy at the restaurant. Now that it's the end of summer, school is starting back up. I have a little bit more time to myself. So it is my birthday. I'm turning 32. I worked hard pretty much the last 2 years. Ever since COVID started, we've been super busy at the restaurant. We didn't really have a slow season last year. So it's been crazy for the last year and a half. You know what, this year I decided I'm gonna spoil myself. I do a lot of nice things for myself. However, I do work hard for it, and I decided this year to sell my bike. The bike is no longer here, and I decided to purchase a car. Good deal on the car, and I couldn't pass it up. And the salesman was super cool. He worked with me fantastically, did a great job, got me a great deal. Anyways,
What's up, Raos?
Oh, what's up?
Alright, so we're going to change out the intake. And I'm not going to show step by step because there's tons of videos that show how to do it already. So I just want to basically record what it's going to sound like after I put it on. Should I do it before and after test?
Yeah.
You talking me into it.
Baby flutter.
I wonder if it even got that. All I heard was like a little
Start.
This man has never seen any of the MCU except for Iron Man and what? The Avengers 1?
It was good.
Get out of my house. Nice. Perfect.
It's cinematic. I don't want to sit in the car with this sweaty ass shirt.
Alright, that's it for now. We tested it out. It sounds really good. Super excited. Thanks to my homie Raos for helping me install it. And it was a good time. It was easy. I like the sound system, which we still have to figure out. So that'll be another week. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. This is my birthday gift to myself. And yeah. When you get your damn Tesla.
When do I get it?
When you getting it, bro?
Or when I get it?
No, when are you getting it?
Shit. Right now it's looking like November.
Could be next week.
Could be.
Kid out here capping you. All right.